go. There you go.
Soldiers of 5th Squadron, 1st Cavalry Regiment recently took part in their annual Spur ride held on Fort Wainwright, Alaska. Almost 80 soldiers competed in the grueling 16-hour event in the hope of earning their cavalry spurs. The tradition, known as the Order of the Spur, traces its origins back to the beginning of the U.S. Cavalry.
What it really means is, one, you're part of a family. Two, you're part of the heritage. You know, the cavalry's always been around. Every movie you see, every history book you see, cavalry's been in every war, every battle. And just being a member of that, you just take that lineage with you. And that's what I think people take away from this.
This year's event put the soldiers through numerous tests that challenged them both physically and mentally. Some of the events included long road marches, assembling and disassembling various weapons, the gas chamber, and an obstacle course. These events test the soldiers' ability to work as a team under extreme mental and physical duress. For many of the participants, relying on their fellow soldiers was a must to get through the day.
There's a couple points I want to just stop, but the rest of the Spur candidates who are with me and just keep driving me on, is right next to me all day and telling me to keep going and not quit.
For each of the candidates who successfully completed the events, a ceremony was held where each soldier was formally inducted into the Order of the Spur. Specialist Andy Geisler, Fort Wainwright, Alaska.